So, whole body, ini-integrate mo yung element of balance, element of agility, element of strength, at saka a little bit of cardio. So, pwede mong haluan, sabi ko nga kanina, so pwede siyang jumping jack, so parang, tapos lunge, punch, bla, ulit. Ganon. So, punch pwedeng same side or opposite side. Ganon. Ganon. Yun yung isang whole body. So, nag-integrate ka ng balance kasi may hip up. Okay. Tapos may lunge using the legs and may core, may punch. Yun. Tapos yung upper body workout, pwedeng ito. Okay. So, going to plank, press up, tapos jack out, plank, out. So, pwedeng counts. Or pwedeng mabagal. Which is mas mahirap. Kasi mas kailangan mo ng control. So, pwede rin siya sa mga beginner. Pero kung gusto mo mas mabilis, people for advanced, ganon. Yun ang whole body workout. So, going to daily routine, ang masasabi ko lang is actually, dapat meron kang pattern. So, for example, MWF, pwede mong gawin na exercise yun as cardio. So, cardio marami naman yan. Nauso ngayon ng running. Kung may access ka sa swimming, pwede. Kung may involve ka sa mga table tennis, badminton, basketball, pwedeng form yun ng aerobic training. Tapos yung resistance training, pwedeng ipasok mo ng Tuesday, Thursday. Para at least yung Sabado at Linggo mo, pwedeng i-delegate mo sa family mo para may balance ka of workout at saka dun sa outside your workout time. So, pwede mo i-delegate yun doon. So, Tuesday, Thursday, pwede siyang strength training. Pwedeng whole body. Pwedeng legs, kunyari lunges. Okay. Or squat. Yun yung legs. So, sa dinemo ko nung previous vlogs, yung push-up. That's for the arms. Di ba? Yung kasasabi ko lang na bicep workout, pwede dun sa buttocks. Tapos yung buttock, pwede mong haluan ng shoulder. Pwedeng overhead shoulder. Ganun. Tapos pwedeng tricep. Yan. Tapos yung sa legs kanina, pwede rin sa inner hip tsaka outer hip. So, swing. Or pwedeng side-to-side lunge. Ganun. Yan. Tapos abdominals, yun nga, yung planks kanina, or pwedeng nakatayo. Pwedeng haluan mo ng punch. Okay. Yan, medyo whole body na rin yan. No? Okay, so yun yun. So visit us on Facebook, Fit and Right. See you there.